Good evening, everyone. Let's start our foot soak and meditation session tonight with the Namaskar. Thank you, Shrimataji, for bringing us together tonight. And please help us to cleanse and purify so that all the deities and all their qualities are in us. Let's raise our Kundalini and place ourselves in Bandhan. Just put a bandhan on our water, our foot soak water, and then we can place our feet in our buckets.
विजय प्राप्त करने के मंत्र। श्री निष्कामा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्कामा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निष्क्रोधा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्क्रोधा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्लोभा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्लोभा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मोहा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मोहा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मत्सरा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मत्सरा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। श्री निर्मदा। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मदा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
We'll conclude our foot soak now by thanking Shri Mataji with our two hands together for cleansing and clearing our subtle system. We can remove our feet, rinse and dry them, and just putting our buckets to the side or taking them to dispose of them. We'll just be in meditation, listening to a short excerpt of Shri Mataji while we wait.
Who've been in Sarju for a long time don't feel cold breeze, they don't feel any catches. Some people feel burning all the time, some people feel the things in their head, in their body, toes, hands. Is there a way we're going to develop where we can feel things, all of us, all over, or is it just some people feel different things?
No, you see, to begin with, it has something to do with your nervous system, alright? So if your nervous system is disturbed, you may not feel at all. For the nervous system, best thing is to do massage. You see, somebody should massage their back, hands. Also, I have told many a times that you rub your hands with vibrated olive oil quite a lot and rub these things so they become sensitive. Could be with insensitivity. But if they can feel the catches in the body, that means they are all right. Only the Vishuddhi is not all right. Rub the thing on the Vishuddhi, work on Vishuddhi, clear it out. And for Vishuddhi, if you can use, say, butter to rub on the here and rub all these muscles, you see, with that, all these things will work out for your hand. But supposing there's no cool breeze coming out of the head, possibly, then the realization is not yet established. See, other people should say whether there's a cool breeze coming, because the person who is not realized may not feel it. Supposing he does not feel it and you feel it, then he's realized. Only thing his chakras are to be cleared out. It's a different category of people. Then there are some people whose Kundalini has not risen, they are still Sahaja Yogis like that. Maybe. I don't know if there are any. Those people who are unmarried for long, they are very difficult people because they never feel the cool breeze in the hand, quite a lot like that. But it is not so. They are realized souls. In any case, they may not feel it, but they are realized souls, you see. Because a kind of a softness, a kind of a balance is developed after marriage, which is not there. And that's how some people don't feel it. There are various reasons. Some people who are ego-oriented more, they should turn their left to the right many a times. They should find out from the hands, you see. One hand is bigger, one hand is smaller. That means the left side, if it is smaller, that means you have to raise left to the right. You see, from the size of the hands and all that you can see. Putting one hand towards the photograph, another hand outside. Work it out in so many ways because you have permutations and combinations of certain mystics. But that doesn't mean you develop this left Vishuddhi by any chance. Because that's the worst thing that can happen. If you develop the left Vishuddhi, then it's a very difficult situation. Now, for this kind of a thing, I think I'll give you a complete lecture on one day, complete, as to see what permutations and combinations of different chakras can create. All right? But symptoms are outside. The symptoms are mostly outside. There's no need to, from a personality you can see what it is he's catching. It's a very great problem with people, that they don't feel the vibrations. Some people just don't feel. How many there are like that, who never feel any vibrations? Never felt, never. Raise your hand, I know Kelly.
No, never.
And you have felt it sometime. All right.
Mother, since I came to the ashram, I think my hands have been very hot all the time.
Which
but
one?
I feel the catches inside. But
Both the hands are. What work you are doing in the ashram?
not very much, Mother.
All right. You had a left side catch. All right. You can see clearly. Your right hand is very shining. The left, there is a problem. You see, these fingers are not so shining as the things are. You had a left side problem, if you remember it. All right. So that's fighting. In the ashram, the vibrations are fighting. That's why I feel hot. There's something wrong with it. It will correct it. You will have cool breeze. Put your right hand always up and left hand towards me. It will correct.
We have had Bhairava Puja in Belgium. And now I thought today let us have Mahakali Puja. Because yesterday's experience, last night's experience, was the work of Mahakali. She has a double role all the time. She is at two extremes. On one side, she is full of joy, giver of joy, feels very happy when she sees her disciple are joyous. Joy is her own quality, is her energy. And yesterday, you must have been amazed to see so many middle-aged ladies of France smiling and laughing. I had never seen them smiling. It's very surprising how they were so joyous and so very happy. And this is the energy of Mahakali that gives you all that joy after realization. And the joy you enjoy among yourselves, all these are the qualities of Mahakali. And when they will read out the names of Mahakali, you will know how her powers manifest in Sahaja Yoga and how it has helped you all to get drenched into the ocean of joy. To begin with, I have to tell you one thing, that Mahakali Puja when you are doing, you have to feel the joy within yourself and joy from other Sahajogis. If you cannot feel that, that means you are not yet grown. And there's some problem. Maybe with your parents, maybe with your children, maybe with family, with your country, whatever it is, but there's some sort of a conditioning which is working out that doesn't give you that joy. And to grow into Sahaja is very important, which I think people don't understand, even if they live in ashrams. They don't understand one thing, that you have to be collective. If you are not collective, then you are thrown out gradually. Now this Mahakali power has got 7 strings, you can say this. And these strings are there to throw you out into collective subconscious areas. Like as in the sitar you have seen for the resonance, there are other strings also. So once you start getting out of the collectivity, it is the Mahakali herself picks you out and starts throwing you out slowly, slowly to the subconscious area, and where you just disappear. And all kinds of problems start there. I have seen this happening in every country, that people do not attend the collective meditation. For France, I have the same report. And I think the people who do not grow will be thrown out. Sahaja Yoga, as you know, has a double action, as the Mahakali has a double action. She is extremely loving, full of joy, full of happiness, and she's the one who's extremely cruel, wrathful. She's the one who's the slayer of all the demons and the evil and those people who try to do evil. So once you are thrown out into the left side, then you can imagine, you can develop any kind of left side diseases to begin with. Muladhara diseases are the worst. You develop diseases like myelitis, you must have heard of the disabilities caused by the muscles getting degenerated. All muscular degeneration comes from this problem. So at any cost, that must be avoided. But if you are not in the collective, if you do not understand the collective, and if you are out of the collective, you will be surprised that negative forces will join together and they'll pull you out. So this is one of the things that happens. So be very careful that don't avoid the collective programs. The another problem about Mahakali is that she's the one who gives you the feeling for your wife, for your husband. She is the one. Now there also, the same problem. If both of them are all right, she is all right. But if she finds any one of them going astray, she'll throw that person out and out and out. And the another person, if that person is attached with that person also, will be thrown out. So this business of falling in love, this nonsense that we have here, that you fall in love, but the word is all right because you fall really in love. There's a real falling happens. So what happens when you start falling in love? There's a kind of a maya of this Mahakali. And you just get infatuated, your ego get pampered or something like that, or you have certain ideas of a wife or something, and then you think, oh, that's the one for me. So in these cases only two things can happen. Either you can be lost completely because of your wife or your husband whom you adore and admire, and you finished. I mean, your personality is finished. Or else, the another thing which is even more serious is that will completely break forever and hate each other. That's why they say that there's a love and hate relationship. How can love be hate? But it becomes, because of this quality of the goddess, that she is on one side is extremely loving, extremely kind, extremely soft. She goes up to a point. And then she throws you on the other side. And that is why in these countries where people always fall in love, you see, they don't marry otherwise, unless and until they have fallen in love. In that they cross all the maryadas also. In falling in love, they will marry somebody who is already married, or they'll carry on with somebody who is not yet divorced, or also they will have marriages among themselves in the same household or something. All kinds of things they do. An old woman marries a young man, or a young old man marries a young girl, like that, all nonsensical things without any maryadas. And they do not stick together. They have no maryadas. So marriage is to create a maryada of your behavior. And this is the maryada which if you do not keep, then this Mahakali gets into it. So first of all, one has to be collective. The ones who are not collective, who do not attend every time a collective program, you might give suggestions that you would like to come for such a such thing. For example, I have already explained that you shouldn't talk. There are so many tapes which they have never heard. Just let them listen to my tape, then go into meditation, and then do the arati and finish it off. Because these tapes are to be heard again and again. Now those who get any questions out of those tapes can next time discuss it before starting the tapes. That's a very good thing, and that works. In India, nobody speaks. They just put my tapes on or show my video. After that, they just have meditation and arati. Finished. After that, nobody talks. But before starting it, they do it is to talk to each other and discuss the problems or discuss anything that they felt about the previous program. Because you have not come here to marry someone or to fall in love into something. You have not come here to get after some woman because she's your wife, or some man because he's your husband. You have had so many husbands and wives in previous lives. But you have come here for your ascent. And if you have come for your ascent, you have to keep a watch. How is your mind working? Supposing I say that you should have good married life. Of course I do say you should have good married life. But not at the cost of losing your ascent. It has happened with people. We have lost a complete, I should say, a city like that. Such stupidity comes up over people. So be careful not to get lost. You have not come here to have only a happy married life, but happy married life is just one step. But if that step is taking you away from the real path of your ascent, it's better to be careful. Also, we must understand the innocence means purity. Purity of thought. As I explained yesterday, I hope you understood the meaning of purity. Purity is to be understood much more by Europeans. Very important. Especially French. Because the whole society is suffering. Society can only be pure if the family life is pure. Not only that, but your relations with each other are pure. Like I was told that somebody fell in love in Ganpatipure. I mean, you go for a pilgrimage. It's like you have to go to buy a sari and you end up with a shaving stick. Is that stupid? You are coming to Ganpatipure for what? You are coming there for your ascent. It's a pilgrimage. But in the pilgrimage, I have never heard anybody falls in love with each other and goes to marriage. So this bhoot of falling in love must be given up in Sahaja Yoga. That is one of the biggest loads. And now one must understand that purity means chastity. Innocence means chastity. Not only physical, also mental chastity. You have to have mental chastity. If you don't have mental chastity, you cannot ascend. Actually, in the West, it is more mental than physical. It's a fact. And that's why their brains have gone off. And they are becoming just like, I think, potatoes now, I think. Because if you go on mentally imagining and playing around and working it out this way, it's going to be absolutely dangerous because it's all imagination. It has nothing to do with reality. The more you get into this kind of a nonsense, the more you become away from reality. That never means you should be dry. It never means you should be negligent of your responsibility. Does not mean. As I said, the sap माझ्या पर्समध्ये खदिराची बट्टी आहे ती काढ. As I have said, that the sap in the tree rises, all right? Then it purifies, it nourishes every part of the plant separately in a different way. Like it's a mother, so mother. Father is a father. Sister is a sister. Brother is a sister. Brother is a brother. The brother-sister relations cannot become husband-wife relations. How can it be? बोल दे कधी राधी बोलते एक ह्याच्यात आहे. Now what happens really is that such a confusion in the mind, and it has created tremendous problems for us. Then the sap nourishes all these things and comes back. It doesn't get attached to something. Oh, she's my wife, so the first priority is my wife. Because I've said, of course, family life has to be all right. You must look after your family life. But that doesn't mean that you make everything suffer. That doesn't mean that your ascent should be finished. It cannot mean that. You are not like ordinary people, you are saints. And for the saints, the main thing is their ascent. Not their family life, not their material possessions, nothing. Nor their children, but their ascent. Once they ascend, everything will ascend with it. एक week's pandil. Now the understanding of chastity should be there. It can come to you very easily if you ascend. It's such a vicious circle. It is such a vicious circle. Now, first of all, you get your realization, all right? Now, you must know that Kundalini itself is the Mahakali Shakti. Because she is the primordial. Mahakali Shakti is the primordial Shakti within us. And the Kundalini is the Mahakali Shakti. And she remains as a virgin within you. She is purity. She has a power to purify. All that happens when you get your realization. She starts manifesting her all beautiful aspects on you. Now the one who is sitting there is Sri Ganesha. Now people don't understand what is innocence is. Sri Ganesha is sitting there and he is the one who presides over Muladhara, even over his mother, because he's like a guard. And he is the one who tells whether she can ascend or not. Unless and until he gives permission, she cannot ascend. So Sri Ganesha gives the ascending sort of a okay, all right, you can rise. And he stops all his work. You have seen me sitting for hours together. I don't have to go even to the bathroom or anywhere because Ganesha stops all his work. He's only worried now about the ascent. And on every chakra, he checks your purity. And then, accordingly, the Kundalini tries to purify. But when it reaches the mental level has all these funny ideas of romance, this nonsense, that nonsense. I was surprised the other day. There was a girl who was having a trouble with her husband of expressing her love to her husband after marriage. Before marriage she was all right. So I told her, read some book where they have described the romance between husband and wife. So she said, there is no book I have known. Then I asked one professor to find out. He said, there is no such book. In Sahaja Yoga, the romance starts after the marriage. But also with Maryadas, not at the cost of Sahaja Yoga, not at the cost of your ascent. So all these ideas people have in the West, I know you are so much conditioned about it. So we say, now let us see, this is Samayachar, after all, we have to give all the benefit to them. Now we select people, we do everything. It's all the work of Mahakali. Because you have to work on the vibrations. It's all the work of Mahakali. And after marriages also, some marriages do fail. The reason being they do not know what is the purpose of their marriages. So the first and foremost thing of Mahakali is that she is purity. Absolute purity. And that purity, if we cannot imbibe within us, we cannot be such yogis. Now this mind is so much conditioned, I know.
Good night, everyone. Let's collectively raise our Kundalini, place ourselves in Bandhan, and we'll see you next time. Good night.
Anything that Aigiri Nandini Masuri.
Ayagiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishva Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindhya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati He Shiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Sura Suravara Varshini Duradara Dharshini Duramukha Marshini Harsharate Tribhuvana Poshini Shankara Toshini Kilbisha Mojini Gosharate Danujani Roshini Kshita Sutta Roshini Duramuda Shoshini Sindhu Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Shanga Kapardini Shaila Sute Ayashata Kanda Vikandita Runda Vitundita Shunda Gajadipate Ripu Gajaganda Vidarana Chanda Parakrama Shunda Mrudhadipate Nija Bhuja Danda Nipatita Chanda Vipatita Munda Batada Pate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Danuranu Shangara Nakshana Sanga Parishputa Dangana Karkatake Kanakapi Shanga Pushat Kanishanga Vasat Patashrunga Hatabatuke Kuta Chaturanga Balakshiti Ranga Gatada Bahuranga Ratada Batuke Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya Japya Jaya Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tattara Vishwanute जन जन जिञ्जित जिन्कृत नूपुर सिञ्जित मोहित भूतपते नति नतर्त नति नतयाक नति तनतया युगनारते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि सुमन 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते श्रित रजनी 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 करवक्ररुते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहित महर्णवमालमकल्लिकवल्लिकरल्लिकमालरते विरचित वल्लिकपल्लिकमाल्लिक चिल्लिक भिल्लिकवर्णवृते सितकृत पुल्लिसमुल्लसितारुणतल्ल च पल्लवसाललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदलमलकोमलकान्तिकलाकलिता मलबाललते सकलविलासकला निलया क्रमकेलिचलकलहंसकुले अलिकुलसङ्कुलकुवलय मण्डलमौलिमिलादबक्रादितुले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते 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 अयगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हे सिद्धिकान्तनुतुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुरदुरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिनि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिनि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि क्षितिसुतरोषिणि दुरमुदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयशतकन्दविकन्दितरुन्दवितुण्डितशृङ्गगजाधिपते विपुगजगन्धविकाराक्रमशृङ्गकृपाधिपते निजभुजदन्दनिपातितचन्द्रविपातितमुण्डमतदपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि तनुरनु शङ्गरनाक्षन सङ्ग परिष्पुतदङ्गनतात्कतके कनकपिशङ्ग पुषात्कनिशङ्ग वसत्पतशृङ्ग हतावतुके कृतचतुरङ्ग बलाक्षितिरङ्ग गतद बहुरङ्ग रतद बतुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जाप्य जय जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते जन जन जिञ्जित जिङ्कृत नूपुर सिञ्जित मोहित भूतपते नति नतर्त नति नतनायक नातित नात्यनुगानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अये सुमनः 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 सुमनोहर कम्पियुते श्रितरजनी रजनी 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 करवग्रवृते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहितमहर्णवमालमकल्लिकवल्लिकरल्लिकमालरते विरचितवल्लिकपल्लिकमाल्लिकचिल्लिकबिल्लिकवर्गवृते चित्रकूटपुल्लिसमुल्लसितारुणपल्लजपल्लवसाललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदलमलकोमलकान्तिकलाकलितमलबाललते सकलविलासकला निलया क्रमकेल्लिचराकलुभंसकुले अलिकुलसङ्कुलकुवलय मण्डलमौलिनिलादबाकुलगङ्गे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते 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 जय जय हे रघुमर्दिनि जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते त्वमेव साक्षात् राहुमर्दिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् राहुमर्दिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् राहुमर्दिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी